Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a valve cover gasket on an Infiniti G37. First, gather all necessary tools, including a torque wrench, socket set, and a new gasket kit. Make sure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns and ensure proper gasket seating. Disconnect the battery's negative terminal for safety before proceeding with any electrical components. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, begin by carefully removing the engine cover and any hoses or wiring harnesses obstructing access to the valve covers. Disconnect the ignition coils and remove the spark plugs to prevent damage. Then, systematically unbolt the valve covers, starting from the outer bolts and working your way inwards. Be gentle to avoid stripping bolts or damaging surrounding components. Keep track of all fasteners for reassembly. Now, thoroughly clean the mating surfaces on both the cylinder head and the valve covers. Remove all old gasket material and oil residue using a degreaser. Install the new spark plug tube seals into the valve covers, then carefully place the new valve cover gaskets into their grooves. Apply a small, thin bead of RTV sealant at the corners where the timing cover meets the cylinder head for an optimal seal. Finally, carefully reinstall the valve covers, tightening the bolts in a crisscross pattern to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 75 inch-pounds. Reconnect all ignition coils, spark plugs, hoses, and wiring harnesses. Double-check all connections to ensure everything is secure. Once complete, reconnect the battery and start the engine, checking for any leaks. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.